Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to cancel course on Udemy. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to log in into our Udemy account, and this is our Udemy interface. And for us to be able to cancel a certain course, then all we need to do is just go to the upper right hand corner of our interface and click the My Learning tab. Say for example, we want to cancel this course, passes Laravel app building trick. So we're just going to click the ellipsis here, or the three dot icon. We're just going to click on that. And as you can see, we don't have a cancel option here. It's because this course is for free. So we won't be able to cancel this one. Now what we can do is we can just put this into archive. So we're just going to click archive, and there it's already gone in our list. Now, if you are on a paid course, then of course you can cancel your course anytime that you want. So we're just going to go to our profile at the right hand corner of our interface, and we're just going to scroll down and click subscriptions. And here in this part, this is where you can see all of your subscriptions, and you will be able to cancel them here. Now, we don't have any active plans or any subscriptions as of now, but if you do have, then of course you can cancel it anytime. And there you go. That's how you are going to cancel course on Udemy. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.